Hi everyone, welcome to another Mind Tap exercise demonstration. This is regarding making multiple comparisons and decision statements in C++. So the title of this file, or the file name itself, is airline.cpp, and this one determines if the airline passenger is eligible for a 25% discount. So those who are 6 years old or younger, and the same discount to passengers who are 65 years old or older. So this should request the name and the age, display whether the passenger is eligible or not eligible for that discount. So that's what the program is all about. We're going to open and start the assignment. I clicked that already. This white part again would be your editor. Similar to a notepad, and this part would be your console, or this is going to be your output screen. You have your run or your play button on the right bottom part, and this second icon shows you the different tasks. Okay, so once you run checks later on, if you complete your code in this editor, then these should be in green color, so that means it's perfectly working. But for now, we're going to see what is being asked. So we need to declare some variables, although some has been initialized for you. Design the logic, whether to use AND or logic. So remember, we have three logical operators, AND, OR, and NOT. So for this, we're going to use those in our program. Be sure to include output statements to whether the customer is eligible for a discount. So we're going to have that right here. So this work is done already. We need to execute and run that one, and have the following input. So you have a sample input in here. So let's get things started. This airline CPP I need to have to complete because I have a couple of declaration on line 9, 10, and 11. So first things first, at the very top you would see comments. Why is it a comment? You would see a slash slash. So that's a line comment. 4, 5, 6, 7, I'm not going to fully expand, but those are part of your libraries or header files, preprocessor directive, things like that. But we're talking about the logic of this program. So main is just saying, hey, this is the main module, curly brace, open brace, you're starting to code. This is like one full block of your program. So I have 9, 10, and 11 would be for your declaration. This one would be comments describing the different variable. What else do we need to do? We're done with, so this is the work done in the housekeeping section already. Interaction between the first name, last name, etc. So we're going to fill up the if statement, if else, basically on this part of the section. Okay, so let's see, we could have this part here, and we could start with if, okay, passenger less than equal to 6, 2 pipe symbol, that's the symbol for or passenger age greater than equal to 65. Why did I say so? Because your instruction in here, if the passenger is less than 6 or the passenger is greater than or equal to 65, then you would have to display their name, their first name, their last name, and they are actually eligible for a 25% discount. So we're going to do that. Okay. Have a second line for me to have a display. I would do a curly brace just to kind of show the division of my if else. Okay. I would have C out, passenger first name, So this is an important section on C++. Anything you see green, that's an actual string. And this one is the declaration, that's the variable that we have declared at the very top. Okay? And L is just saying that, hey, that's the end of the line and I want another line to be displayed later on. So I'm going to continue. I would like to have passenger. Oh, what am I typing? So careful on typing, so while you type you can proofread to kind of save the time too. I would have passenger age. I would have the variable in here. And this passenger Okay, so that's the true part. This is going to be my false part because there should be your else, right? So what I'm going to do is to have this part, so put a good space in there. So remember, on your OR operation, either one of the statements is true, the answer is true, okay? Whether the passenger is below 6 below, or the passenger is 65 up, then they are actually eligible to get for that offer, the 25% discount for passenger below 6 below, and 65 up. So we need to have the else part in here. I always type count for some reason. It's just, you know, very similar. So that can be an error too. What we can do here, you know what I can do? Because it's pretty much the same part, I would copy this whole thing. Okay, I'm going to put it right in the section. And I would just have to edit a couple so I don't have to type the whole thing to save our time. Okay, and this one is just saying the passenger is not eligible for 25 discount. So that's going to be your last part. Right? Okay, so that's it. So let me just run checks. Either way, sometimes I click run checks right away, or I play the run screen. It didn't give me anything, honestly, because it's incomplete. I need to test it. So there goes the testing on the right side. So that requires to have a few tested. And I have a bunch of errors in here. Sweet, right? Let's see, passenger was not declared in this scope. Did I not declare the passenger? So let's see. I would have to somehow troubleshoot. Where could that be? Let's see. Note suggested alternative passenger age. Oh, sweet. Oh, yeah. So I put passenger on my line 23 and passenger age on the other side of the condition. So it has to be passenger age. Okay, let me just run that again. I hope that will fix the issue. Oh, sweet. Actually, there is buy-in and age. Let me fill 20. I want to be 20 again. So I would put 20 in there. And it gives you the output, your first name, last name. The passenger is not eligible for a 25 discount. Okay, because you should be 6 below or 65 up to get an eligibility. So let me try. Excuse some kind of sound in my background. My office is just beside the restroom, so if you feel that not so nice sound, excuse that. Apologize. So let me just try it again. Let's say 67. Bam! I have 25% discount. I'm going to run checks. Beautiful. Okay. So I'm going to click submit. Click that. It will give you confirmation button. And I hope this demonstration you find it useful for you. If you have a couple of errors, try to see which line is the error and check your variables if they match, because it's case sensitive. So I'll see you on the next video.